Hello iPhone users, so let's turn a random picture in my gallery into a sticker and copy and paste it on Instagram or anywhere we want. You can do it with yourself as well. So you have to do is go to any photo randomly in your phone, whichever you want to turn it into a sticker, and hold it. Hold the particular person. So in this there is the DT in my photo. I holded it, I tap on copy, and now I have come to Instagram. Here I'm going to paste it right away. I use the text option to paste it. I am going to tap on paste now. You see, and once I tap on paste, see the same sticker is here. Sticker is basically it's the person whosoever was copied right away and selected, right? It is done automatically. And see, this is here also on WhatsApp. I have pasted it, and see it will come right away. You can edit the sticker as well, and by edit, what you have to do it, you have to just change the filter, etc., which I'll show, right? So that's how we send it on any platform we want to. We just have to paste it right away, right? And we can send in this form as well, in photo form, where we can edit it, write something on it, and send a caption with it, right? See you in the next video. Try it yourself. Tada.